Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you guys how to get this really sultry brown look. Let's get right into it. First, I'm using my primer to make sure my skin is nice and protected under all my makeup. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel and just kind of give my brows a natural touch up. I'm using a concealer that is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin to lift and arch my brows into oblivion. And I'm blending it down to prime my lids for the eyeshadow later. Next, I'm taking a shade closest to my skin on top because we're not doing halo brows in 2023. Please, let's leave that in 2015. Thank you. Let's blend out that concealer and add our brown shade. You can use an eyeshadow, you can use a bronzer. That's the beauty of makeup. I promise you, I do not have the time or the coin to be wasting on the same product in different fonts. If I'm the type to be watching people on YouTube, watching their videos and whatnot, like, why can't I be that same person on the opposite side of the screen? Yes, I was on the phone, and yes, I had to do a little rant about content creation. It is definitely not easy, but with consistency and self-discipline, you can literally make anything happen. And God don't play about me, honey. I am so blessed and grateful to have a platform to do what I am so passionate about. As you can see, I'm mapping out my eyeliner. This is a really rough draft, but it all comes together in the end, so that's all that matters. I'm extending the wing with steady short strokes just because I want to really accentuate my almond eyes. It's me trying to decide if I like it or not. LOL. Decided to keep it, and now I'm applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation to help even out the outer parts of my face. Most black women have hyperpigmentation, so I'm trying to combat that ashy look that often comes with using foundations too light. I'm using my NARS Creamy Concealer and using that to color correct and brighten up those pesky dark spots on my face. Ooh, jump scare. We literally just skipped to this part. Sorry, y'all, I forgot to record. My bad. But all I really did was map out my face with highlight, blush, contour, according to my face shape. Then I'm blending everything out. The key to making your makeup look flawless is to blend. Blend that highlight into the blush. Blend the blush into the contour. If you take anything away from that video, this is how you achieve a professional clean beat. Not me out of focus, because when you put that setting powder, baby, that makeup isn't going anywhere. Just wrap it up and call it a night. Now I'm taking my damp beauty blender dupe and I'm pressing and setting the Huda Beauty powder into my skin. This is my ride or die, honey, my ride or die. If you have dry skin, you can stop there, but for us greasy face folks, this is just the first step. I like to bake, so this is just the first layer. And it's going to ensure that my under eye does not crease. And I just use the remaining powder on my sponge to set the rest of my face. Now I'm putting an even layer of bake so it's consistent and not patchy. This is one of my favorite steps. Now I'm bringing back depth to my face, adding contour to the perimeter of my face to make sure that it is blended, lightly sweeping and buffing it into my skin. It's me on the phone having a whole convo, a whole kiki. Is it really that funny? Oh, let me find out. I'm carving out my nose contour with a lighter shade than my face contour, and I'm being very precise. By the time we finish, people are going to be asking if you had a nose job. Girl, what nose job? What nose job, boo? I'm blending it into the front of my eyebrows to make sure that it's super blended, and I'm adding the Huda Beauty powder on the bridge of my nose with a skinny brush. Got to make sure that highlight is on point. Not literally, though. Y'all see me blending into the crevices. That lash is holding on for dear life. I'm using a tapered blending brush to get the outer edges and blend. And that is just going to be before the bake. Y'all will literally see me bake this nose 1,000 times. I am a perfectionist. What can I say? I love a natural but crisp nose. I add the lightest layer of powder to the bottom of my cheekbone to accentuate and clean up my contour, and use the remaining powder to blend the harsh edges. Once I stopped baking under my contour for so long, life became so much better. I hate that obvious line of demarcation, so make sure you dust that bake away after about 30 seconds to a minute with a face powder. I'm using eyeshadow as a blush because who gon' check me, boo? But I'm just adding the color to the apples of my cheeks right above that contour. I use a black eyeshadow to add some depth to my chocolate brown eyes because I just love the way it makes it pop. I'm using a dense brush just to dust all that powder away. I'm adding my Sephora lip liner. I always find myself re-upping on this product. It is so brown girl friendly and one of the only things that I reach for when it comes to my lip liner. Next, I'm just spraying my face and blending that in. Let me put y'all onto this makeup hack. If you do not have a proper nude shade, just use your concealer. I promise you it is going to change your game. Your under eye concealer, not the ashy white Casper the Ghost looking concealer, something nude and brown. I'm using my Fenty Hot Chocolate and it blends perfectly with that lip. Make sure that you use that brush on the edges. Do not be scared. Get in that lip, baby. You honestly can never go wrong with too much blush, but just so I don't go overboard, I'm using my face powder to blend my blush and contour because I just want a really seamless finish. I only use one layer of mascara on the top just to blend the lashes, but I heavily coat my bottom lashes. I just love the spiky look because baby, you don't see these lashes. I finally blend a layer of highlight on top of the blush and bam, honey, we have our final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me down in the comments what else you want to see. Stay tuned for other videos that I have coming up, and thank you guys again so much. I love you. Bye.